Tired of watching the crypto world from the sidelines because you think you need a fortune to start? Today, we're diving into how to snag some free crypto directly within your Phantom wallet, especially useful if you're new to the Solana blockchain. First things first, make sure you have Phantom wallet installed on your Chrome browser or any other supported browser, or on your mobile device. Now, a key thing to remember is that free crypto often comes in very small amounts. We are going to explore using Faucets. These are websites or services that give away tiny fractions of SOL, Solana's native coin, absolutely free. Type in Solana Faucet on Google, and you'll find a bunch of choices. Be careful. Watch out for dodgy-looking pages, and stick to well-reviewed ones. Click on a faucet link from your search results, and enter your Phantom wallet address into it, which can be copied from your dashboard. It is really important to only use these faucets on a need basis. These are just to get a starting point to explore the ecosystem. After opening the faucet, follow the instructions to verify that you are not a robot, and then click the claim button. After a short wait, you will receive a small amount of SOL in your Phantom wallet. This will allow you to pay for gas fees in order to operate in the Solana ecosystem. Remember to keep an eye out for potential airdrops. These are promotional events where projects distribute free tokens and are a much better way to receive free crypto. That's it. You've taken your first steps towards getting free cryptocurrency within Phantom wallet. Keep exploring, stay safe, and remember to always do your research. Good luck and enjoy exploring the power of Solana.